Hello everyone, welcome to Answer Coach. Let's get started. This YouTube course is free help for all of you to make sure that anybody can learn freely. If you feel that our effort is worthy, then please like, share the video and subscribe the channel for upcoming courses. Now let's continue with a series of Django and let's move towards the Visual Studio Code. And I told you to make this email is equal to email exist yourself. So let's do it now. Here we have to write elif and we'll just copy all of this from here and we'll just paste it right here, and instead of username is equal to username we just want email is equal to email, right? Email is equal to email, and then here we will write email taken. So I guess this should work, guys. Let's save this and let's start the server again. Let's reload this, continue, and here it's showing username name. Oh, I guess I corrected that before. I don't know why it is telling me to change this again. Now let's save this. Continue, and let's click on register. Let's give a name and let's give the same, and let's give the username different. Let's give an email same. I don't know which email is there. I need to check it. Okay, we have an email e@g.c, so let's use that, and let's give the password 1 and let's give the password 1 again. Let's click on submit, and here it is, guys. It's showing email taken. So wouldn't it be nice if we could see this email taken here only on the register page itself? So how can we do that? We can do that with the messages. So instead of writing this print username taken, we can just write return messages. First we need to import messages. Okay, so we don't need HTTP response, so we can leave it from Django.contrib import messages, and here we can write messages takes two arguments, request, and it takes what you have to pass in that. So we have to pass username taken, and we have to do the same thing right here, and just instead of email we have to write, and let's delete this from here. So guys, in order for this to work, we have to make a loop in our register.html. So here let's use the dev tag. If you haven't learned HTML, you should go at answercoach.com and learn it from there. And let's use Jinja format here. So for message and messages, yeah, and we just have to write here message, I guess, yeah, message. And we need to end the for loop right here. So I guess this should work, guys. Let's go here. No, we need to make one more change here. After using the messages, we need to also need first of all, guys, it's not return here. I forgot about this. It's messages.info. It just came into my mind. Sorry. And here also it's not messages return. Messages.info takes two values. And now let's save this. I guess this will work now. I hope it doesn't show any error. So yeah, now guys, what we want that after it says username taken, we want it to redirect to the same page only. So here we will write return redirect to register only. We don't want it to redirect to another page. So here we will write the same thing here too. And yeah, I guess this should work. Let's see if this works. Let's go back here. Let's click OK. Let's click on register. And let's give the name Sanj. Let's give last name this. Let's give username A because we have already used that. Let's give email something else. Let's give password 1. Let's click on submit. Yeah, so guys, you can see this works. It says username taken, and if you will do the same thing with email, I'm sure that will work too. Let me show you that too. Okay, let's write Sanj here. It's right, first last name SSS. Now let's give a username different. Let's give the email lee@gmail.c. Let's give password 1 and let's give it 1. Now let's click on submit. And you can see guys, this works. It shows email taken. So what I did here is whenever it will say username taken, it will redirect to a register page only, because if we don't write this, it will come out of this loop and it will then redirect us to the home page, and then we wouldn't see the message there.
And last but not the least, this is just a small start. If you really want to learn, then register in our premium live classes where you can interact and learn live with us. We are waiting for you there. Thank you again. Take care.